Yoruba people, it is time that you explain to Igbos what exactly is the reason why you hate Igbos so much. Why are you guys setting up our shops on fire? Every 2 months, every 1 month. Just last week, they set Igbo people's shops ablaze in Lagos. Now again, they have set our shops ablaze in Oshodi Market, destroying Igbo people's shops again, destroying their properties worth millions and millions of naira. I mean, this is getting too much. Why the hatred? Why the hatred, my brothers and sisters? Why is the hatred on Igbos like this? Every time Igbo people travel to the villages for Christmas, every December, their shops must get burnt. Go and check the statistics. I'm not just saying what I'm saying. I have made several videos about this. Just yesterday, Oshodi Market, they set it ablaze, destroy Igbo people's shops. I do know that there are some other people's shops that are there, but majority of these shops that they are setting ablaze is Igbo people's shops, and they are the ones that have lots of shops in that place. This is too much. And to my Igbo brothers, please, you people need to start coming back home to set up your shops. I've said it in my video. Southeast is now developing. A lot of markets are being set up in Anambra, Enugu, Abia, different parts of Southeast. Biano no bian mepebe shop, rapo no bendi ndi Yoruba. Nda achola anyi, si na ebe anwa pota. This year, you guys need to rethink your marketing strategy, your business investment strategy. You have to rethink and start doing more things outside of that Yoruba land. I don't understand why these people have to be doing this to us. It is wrong. We have a government that will not even do anything called investigation. Sanwo-Olu will pretend as if he wants to investigate. He came the other time, just last week, he said, oh, he wants to investigate. But guess what? What is he investigating? Nigeria does not have even forensic equipment to check what happened or even how it started, or to prevent such a thing from happening. It happens every 2 to 3 months, every month sometimes. Look at, even dead bodies were recovered from the site of the burning buildings. A market just got burnt just a few days ago. Another one again yesterday. This is arson. It is Yoruba people that are doing this thing deliberately to destroy Igbo people's property and to send them back home.